Wipe my fucking neck. Wipe my neck now. Now.
Oi! That was definitely you, mate! You know I'm not with Jones, Hogan, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get back here!
Fuck off, you dirty bastard.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry, babe. I just sprayed snot on you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I swear I'm getting sick. You have to be kidding me right now.
Oh my god, Morgan. I am so
That was
sorry.
a lot. That's really gross.
Oh, babe, look!
Oh, damn.
You seen that car?
What the fuck? No.
You're good. I have a cold too.